Hey guys, how are you all? Ever since the Samsung teased the launch of its Galaxy Fold in 2018, several companies from around the world have joined the race for manufacturing the most practical foldable phones. As the foldable phone market is fundamentally untapped primarily because of their impractical design and colossal price tags. This leaves a kind of self-created void which major companies like Samsung, Huawei and Xiaomi are trying to fill. With 2019 reaching its climax, here are some of the most exciting upcoming foldable phones that you can expect to be launched in next year, that is 2020. Xiaomi Mi Flex. Unlike Huawei or Samsung, Xiaomi doesn't have a working prototype ready for the public display. The company's CEO, however, earlier this year released a video which displayed a small demo of what their version of the foldable phone may look like. Xiaomi CEO called it as double folding mobile phone. The phone's implementation was closer to Huawei than that of Samsung. However, unlike Huawei's Mate X, Xiaomi Mi Flex looked incomplete while the operating system running on the phone was really glitchy and buggy. More than 6 months passed since the release of that video. Samsung and Huawei set to release their foldable smartphone in the coming September. Xiaomi is trying hard and it may launch this foldable phone in 2020 beginning or in the middle of 2020. Let us hope for a good Xiaomi foldable phone. Not much is known about this phone except that it looks a lot like Huawei's Mate X. The company had originally planned to release a working prototype at the Mobile World Congress 2019 but later leaked photos of its foldable phone on Weibo. Not much is known about the specification of this device, but considering its competitors like Samsung Galaxy Fold, Mate X or Xiaomi foldable phone, Oppo will definitely soon launch its foldable phone, and it is sure to come with a powerful processor like Snapdragon 855 Plus or MediaTek Helio G90T or some other powerful processor along with 5G connectivity. Motorola Razor. Similar to Oppo, Motorola Razor hasn't been out officially. There are mostly leaks and renders regarding its design that are leaked online. The phone will likely to follow a clamshell-like design according to a report by the Wall Street Journal. The good news is that the phone will be launched soon, as Motorola's Vice President of Global Product Dan Derry in an interview said the company had no intention of coming later than everybody else in the market. This signifies the fact that the Moto Razor or Motorola Razor might just be around the corner, as Samsung and Huawei will be announcing their foldable phones in September 2019. TCL's Dragon Hinge. TCL first announced about their arrival in the foldable smartphone market during this year's Mobile World Congress 2019. The company, although did not have any working prototype to showcase their implementation of a foldable smartphone, instead TCL showed off a prototype of the Hinge which they called Dragon Hinge. According to the company, this Dragon Hinge will feature in their future foldable smartphone and wearables. The prototype of this device was showcased at Mobile World Congress 2019, which opened and shut like a wallet while the display of the phone was on the inside. However, there was no external display, making it a more practical implementation of a foldable phone. So these are the upcoming foldable phones from all the other companies except Samsung and Huawei. So Samsung has already have a Samsung foldable phone and Huawei is already having its Mate X. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.